welcome to the vlog. So basically I'm just doing a vlog because I haven't posted in hella long.
Fuck you, bitch. Dio. Shut the fuck up and eat a cookie.
Anyway, so I haven't posted because
What do you want, some
I've
dick?
been busy.
You want some cookies?
Shut up, I'm gonna have to edit a lot. I'm doing a vlog because I just got a new phone and I finally have storage and I could finally edit videos and shit.
What else did I do?
So yeah, my sister got a bird and she's coming and she's surprising us. She won't tell us the color of it, so this is the bird she has right now, but it's being mean. Look at it. His name is Blue. He's a budgie or whatever. Look, he's pissed. I don't know what he's mad about. I'm gonna leave him alone because I want to stress him out. But I'll see you guys when she brings the bird. So yeah. They just got home and we're gonna see the bird.
Wait, don't open
Let's see it.
Here, let me help you.
We're gonna open the box.
For the bird.
That's her bird over there. Let's see the reveal.
We got a baby.
He's pissed, dude. He was trying to attack us.
Are you guys excited to see what color it is? It's really pretty.
Look, he's making the weird ass.
Oh my goodness.
I knew. Wait, what? Oh, they got a blue one. Oh, it's on me. Is he gonna bite me?
It's because these ones aren't hand.
I'm scared.
These ones aren't hand fed. That's why he's like this. You guys have to get him used to. He won't let you hold
give
him.
him another cage, cause then they're gonna attack each other. Cause he's not like.
He's
trained.
hurt too.
No.
He's not used to being handheld, so
They
he's gonna
look-
freak out.
They look the same, Loki.
Not really. They're different blues.
Yeah. He's cute though.
He's not used to. He's not used to. He's just gonna.
You
fly
should name him
everywhere.
Olaf.
He has
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
his week.
So basically, the new bird isn't trained like Blue, and the new bird's name is Olaf. And me and Aliyah named it, and he's bigger than Blue too, but like he's not trained. Like when you put your hand like that, he won't go on you. He'll just fly away. So right now we're trying to get him used to us because that's what the guy at the store said apparently. Yeah. Blue is really like confused and like mad. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated though. Good morning, guys. So she learned how to go on her finger. Oh, what the
You
fuck?
get smashed.
Y'all see this, right? He like climbs on her.
He's like, let me be part of
so
the video.
And they want to give her away. And I'm not letting them.
No, we're not giving away. We're giving away Blue to my grandpa.
No, not my boy.
Oh, you better not give none of them away.
I'm
Oh,
still get Blue.
shit. Hold up. She's so sweet. And I don't know why they want to give her away.
I think this one's a lovey one.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna go get her nails cut today because
And those nails gotta go.
she's on the table. I don't know where Blue went, but I'm gonna put them away because
Go put them away, Ashley, for
Yeah.
now. I'm gonna go wash
yeah. I'm gonna put her away first. Actually, I will just get Blue right now. Oh, fool, get back. She doesn't like being on your shoulder. It likes to be. Look. Okay, so put her in first. I don't know where she likes to go. You like? No, you're gonna go in your cage. I'm sorry. They wanna give her away. I hope they don't. She's so sweet. They're gonna give it to her grandpa or whatever. But I don't want them to. She's so sweet. I must ask Maria if she wants it because she's so cute. I hope they don't give it away. So that concludes the rest of the video. I hope you guys like it. So yeah.